Want to learn how to easily change the playoff settings in ESPN Fantasy Football League? In this video, I will show you how you can do that. First of all, launch open the ESPN Fantasy app. Now find the league you want to edit and tap on My Team. Here, you want to find the option of League, tap on that. Now you have a couple of options here, select Schedule, and from here you can check out all of your schedules. Now tap on Playoff Bracket, and from here you can check out your playoff bracket. Now if you want to change the playoff settings, all you want to do is tap on the League Manager Tools option. Now from here you can change your playoff settings. You can choose the number of playoff teams, adjust the playoff schedule. Once you have done all the editing, you can tap on the Save option. And in this way, you can easily change the playoff settings in your ESPN Fantasy Football League. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.